Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel JTech. Today I will show you how to create a temporary mail. First, go to browser address and type temp mail. Then you can see that temp mail disposable temporary mail. Click this link and you see that there have a mail address. This is your temporary mail address. You can use this and you can create Facebook, Instagram and many others account using this temporary mail. So you can change mail address. When you click change, then you see that this mail is already changed. So and you can change domain and select your specific address. So when you take this feature, you can get a premium member. Then you will get this feature. So you can delete and refresh and copy. So when you click here, your temporary mail address is already copied. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.